So what's the speed limit on this road now?
60.
That, how many lanes are on this road?
2.
So which lane are you gonna keep in?
I'm going to stick to the left.
Nice. Can you see the speed limit sign
Yeah.
coming up?
Yeah,
What are they?
it's 50.
And what's the road going? Is it going uphill or downhill?
Downhill, so I need to contribute with my brake.
Very good. So we're approaching a roundabout. We are going to follow the sign to Rochdale, please.
Okay.
So you look at the roundabout sign on your left side, and then the whiteboard.
Rochdale is here.
Very good. And if you look on the green board ahead, you'll see the Rochdale.
Yeah.
Which lane is the Rochdale
It's the
in?
further lane on my right. The third lane on my right.
How many lanes are there in total on
Four.
that green board? Very good. Where does the first lane go?
First lane goes to Huddersfield,
Very good. Second one.
goes on to the motorway.
Very good. Higherdale.
1, 2, 3.
Very good, nice. So now you can see on the road as well, you can see the road markings.
Yeah.
It tells you
Rochdale.
Rochdale on the road.
Yeah.
Now if you look on that green board there, which lane is that?
Oh, it's the first lane.
First lane, very good. Nice. On there, which board says Rochdale now?
No board says it, but the arrow says where to go
So
for Rochdale.
what color is that board?
It's white.
It's a white board. Good. What's the speed limit again?
Speed limit on here is 40.
Very good. So start picking up your speed again.
It's a kind food.
What's on the left side?
A kid play. A pedestrian. So slow down.
That's it. Samuel, we're driving in the UK. This is not the wrong side of the road, but
Cyclist.
how much gap do you need to give him?
2.
2 meter.
Yeah. 2 meters.
Traffic light, we are going straight ahead, please.
Yes.
road?
40.
What state are you in, Leva? We are in United Kingdom. We're not in America. Can we drive 40?
No, there's
No.
a car in front of me.
Is this a good gap?
Yes, it is 2 cars away.
What does sign say on the left side?
Reduce speed now
Why?
because we're approaching around. There's a bend, sorry.